You are watching the news. Good evening. This afternoon, DJI Mini SE drone smashed into a brick wall. According to eyewitnesses, the drone was travelling at high speed and was smashed into pieces on impact. This drone was damaged beyond repair. And experts say that the main cause of this damage was the fact that this drone was not fitted with any obstacle avoidance sensors. People in the area gathered to pick up the pieces that were scattered all over the grounds. Well, I'm sure that you've realized that this is no news because there's so many drones that smashes and crashes. You can see this on Gumtree and Marketplace where there's so many spares on offer. Spares like drone batteries, spare propellers, chargers and carry cases. It's because these spares is of no value if you smash your drone beyond repair. You have two options. Either you can buy a most expensive drone with obstacle avoidance sensors, or you can get some propeller guards. Keep watching this video. I basically use my drone for three different purposes. The first is for fun or recreation. I like to fly in open fields, sometimes down at the golf course or down at the beach. But you must still be on the lookout for obstacles such as high trees, power lines and lampposts. Because if you smash into this, you can damage your drone. The second purpose for using my drone is for my YouTube videos. Because I like to fly over events, or caravan parks or campsites. Because that footage from above just gives you such a nice perspective and understanding of the surroundings. But I must still be on the lookout for obstacles like high trees and power lines. Because flying into these obstacles can cause damage to the drone. The third purpose of my drone is for my job, and that is to do roof inspections. When I come to a property with a very high-pitched roof, a double-story house or even a block of flats, and it's not possible to get onto the roof with a ladder, I take out my drone to do my inspections. Here I have to take extra care, because in some case scenarios you can have a very high-pitched roof, two roofs joining each other and you have to fly between the valley. And there's also cases where the roof joins a brick wall. You must also be on the lookout for obstacles such as satellite dishes and chimneys. If I fly into any of these obstacles, it will cause the drone to drop and fall onto the high roof and can cause a problem. I have to take extra care not to crash and smash the drone. I came across these propeller guards. I found it on the internet on Timo. It was very cheap. I ordered it. Let's open the box and have a closer look. Of course, 4 propeller guards in the box. What you have to take note is that these guards is marked A, B, A1 and B1 because you cannot fit them randomly to the drone. You have to fit it to a specific propeller on the drone. But let's open the drone and see how it fits. Oops. Okay, so what I've done is I've actually marked my drone at the back here just to make sure every time that I fit the propeller guards that I know where it goes. Let's look at this one. I marked it B. Let's take B. You can see how easy it is to fit it to the drone. Just put it, it fits beautifully into that space there. And then you fit this clip on the blade. Just listen to that. You can hear that it clips pretty strong and it really fits pretty tight onto the drone. I must say, you know, you can see that it's fairly strong and it should protect the drone pretty well. Let's fit the other guards as well. Just make sure where it is. On this I've got A. Open up the clip. Just put it around the propeller. Okay, there you can see. It's not a very small mini drone anymore. with all the propeller guards. But I must say, first of all, that the color is nice because it's the same color as the drone. It's really nice. It's very strong. I think so. I think it's very strong. It sits pretty tight onto the drone. You know, it's not loose. It's not a loose fit. So I think, according to me, this is quite a nice fit, and it's quite a nice, strong type of plastic. But will it work? Let's go outside and test the propeller guards. Well, I'm sure that you can see that the propeller guards on the drone does really work. And it will protect the drone if you smash into any obstacles. It's a cheap option and it works well. I think it's money well spent. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. And if you did, please press that like button and give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos to follow. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers.